everybody. I have an unboxing for you today. So this is a species that I don't work with quite yet. I have a similar species, but this one is kind of new to me. Snake in a bag. All right. And we have a little Dumeril's boa inside. So it looks like she's gonna go into a shed. But you can still see her awesome colors. She's very cold, so I'm gonna hurry up and get her into her quarantine tub. But here she is.